good morning. Welcome to our channel. This is Mama Ites and baby
Matas.
This morning we are going to read simple sentences. Read this one, baby boy.
Mat. Sat.
Again.
Mat. Sat.
Very good. Next.
Sam. Sat.
Next.
Mat. Sat. On. Sam.
Wow! Yay!
Sam. Sat. On. Mat.
Great job!
Mat. Sat. Sam. Sat.
Okay. Next, this one. How about this? Read.
Sam and cat.
Wow!
Sam, Matt, and cat.
Cat. Next.
Cat. Sat on Sam.
Okay. Cat sat on Sam. Next.
Sat Sam.
Sad Sam.
Sat Sam. Sat Matt. Sam. Sit.
Huh? Look at.
Sat
Okay.
on Matt. Sat.
Again.
Sam. Sat. Matt. Sat.
Sat. How about this?
The bag has a dog.
Dog. The bag has a dog. Next.
Mark has a bag
And
and dog.
dog.
Mark has a rug.
Wow.
Gun, dog, mug,
Mag.
mug.
Okay. Mac can tag mag. Next.
Mark,
What is the first sound? What is the first sound? Okay, go.
nug,
What is the first sound? G. How will you read?
got.
Got. Again.
Mark got the rug.
Next.
Mark sat on the rug.
Next.
Mug sat on the rug.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share our YouTube channel, Mama Ites and Baby Matios Mozo. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Thank you for
Thank you for
watching.
watching.
God bless!